to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. In here, at the top right corner of your screen, click on magnifying glass like option. Now, search the topic you want to see recently uploaded videos of. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you have searched, click on the three dots. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up in here. After that, in here, click on search filters at the top. After you've clicked on search filters, in here you'll find upload date. Click on upload date and you'll find different options. Make sure it's last hour. After you have clicked on last hour, press on apply at the bottom. After you have clicked on apply, you'll find recently uploaded videos on that topic. And this is how to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.